didn't have it going.
There you go.
So when it's red, it's going, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is from Grandma and Grandpa, the first present of Christmas.
What is it?
Who do you think that's for?
Lightning McQueen?
You know who that is? Whose bike that is, Morgan?
No.
Who's that for?
Me?
You.
Ooh.
That's for you. And candy canes.
What about the candy cane?
I want tea.
What about your bike, Morgan? That's for you. You get to ride a big boy bike.
I want to find it.
Well, we have to put it together first.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to put it together.
But pretty cool, huh?
We'll put it together when we come back.
Uh-huh. We've got another surprise for you, Morgan.
Where?
Hey, look at Mama.
You know what the other surprise is?
No.
Look at Mama.
We're going to get in the car now. And you know where we're going to go? We're going to go to a hotel that has a water park. Water slides, and a pool.
And all kinds of stuff.
Is that exciting?
Yeah.
And we're going to be there for 2 days.
Yeah, and that's where we're going to have Christmas. Do you think Santa Claus will find us there, Morgan?
No, that can't open. It's all taped off.
It's all
What?
taped up. But
Do you think Santa's going to find us where we're going?
You think so?
How's he going to find us?
He probably love opportunity.
Okay.
I think he'll find us too, Morgan. Santa's pretty good about that.
Bye.
You like that bike?
Can you pick it up?
No.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Okay.
Oh, no. Hey, you. What's going on? Are we not paying attention to you? Is that what's wrong?
Get it up. You got to raise your hands up above when you say it.
Is that what's wrong?
Get up.
Pick up, Daddy.
Do you have some smiles in there for Mama? Can you find some smiles? Huh?
Daddy's so happy. So happy.
Ooh.
Ta-da.
Mommy's so bummed I didn't get those smiles on there before.
It is going to be
Are you
a
tired?
fun bike to ride.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, huh?
Thank you so much. I went on my big all the way we're all. I was trying all the way our hotel is right way.
You want to ride your bike all the way to the hotel, huh?
Yeah.
You get pretty tired, Morgan. It's a 2-hour drive.
Bye.
Excuse me. Because that's a long way. Daddy wouldn't want to ride his bike there. If I had one.
Wow, a big boy bike for a big boy, huh?
Yeah. Great big huge bike.
Great big huge bike.
Yeah, green.